Welcome back to Tech Change Life. In this video, we are going to talk about 6 best summer gadgets in 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Number 6. Horus Coolify 2's Neck Air Conditioner. Coolify 2's Neck Air Conditioner uses the powerful Q 2.0 Pro chip to instantly lower the temperature by 30 deg Fahrenheit in just 1 second. The 2 cooling plates around your neck provide full coverage for maximum cooling effect, keeping you cool and refreshed no matter how hot it gets. Plus, the advanced negative temperature coefficient chip ensures a constant cooling sensation, lowering your perceived temperature by 30 deg Fahrenheit, even in temperatures up to 90 deg Fahrenheit. Coolify 2's neck fan provides a broader airflow coverage that can reach both the face and neck with its dual-layer design featuring 4 air ducts, resulting in a 360 degrees cooling effect. Coolify Personal Fans features HyperVortex technology that delivers strong and comfortable airflow, refreshing cool to help you better enjoy outdoor activities. Number 5. Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner features powerful wall climbing capabilities to scrub the floor and walls of your pool, no matter the pool shape or surface type. Get your pool exceptionally clean with the easy access, top-load fine filter basket. The fine filters remove debris from your pool for crystal clear water. Its powerful filtration keeps your pool clean all year long. Cleaning your pool has never been easier. With the Dolphin's plug-and-play system, just plug your robot in, drop it into the pool, and turn on the power supply for a spotless pool in 2 hours. With the Dolphin's smart navigation technology, your robot strategically cleans by scanning your pool to determine the most efficient path. Get an ultimate clean no matter your pool shape or surface type. Number 4. Smart Home Air Conditioner System. Turn your existing air conditioner or your mini split ductless heat pump system into a smart air conditioner, reducing your cooling bills by up to 40%. The smartphone app allows you to take any remote-controlled air conditioner unit and have it maintain a comfortable home temperature from anywhere. Easy setup. Simply plug in your Sensibo Sky, connect to Wi-Fi, launch the app, and enjoy a smarter, connected environment. Sensibo Sky connects with all remote-controlled air conditioner units, in addition to smart home devices such as Google, Alexa, and Siri for use from your phone or desktop apps. Works with window air conditioner, mini split ductless air conditioners or heat pumps, and portable air conditioners. Smart features geofencing activates your air conditioner or any remote-controlled air conditioner's unit before you arrive and turns off when everyone leaves. Climate React scans both temperature and humidity, using a dual set point to maintain a comfortable real feel temperature, never letting the room get uncomfortable. Number 3. Portable air conditioners. This personal air cooler circulates air to keep the room cool and make you more comfortable. The multi-directional air vent is adjustable, so you can point the air to the area you want. Adjustable modes. This mini air conditioner is designed with 3 adjustable modes to meet your requirements. It also has 3 automatic timing options, so you can choose the most suitable one for your leisure time, sleeping or working time. LED touch display. The air cooler has a touch screen function, offering you a new experience. You can easily adjust the wind speed and set the time with a simple touch, making it easy to operate and bring comfortable coolness during summer. Number 2. Smart 6-Zone Indoor-Outdoor Sprinkler Controller. Looking to get a smart sprinkler controller? If you want the best, check out the Consumer Electronics Show Innovation Award-winning Beehive XR Smart Controller. Control from anywhere. The Beehive app is fully functional for Android, iOS, or web devices and gives you control wherever you need it. Program your timer on the app at the timer or let the weather-based software create a program for you. Utilize the swing panel for easy access to the angled wiring terminals, which makes wiring simple and convenient, and the plug-and-go line cord that can also be cut for hardwired applications. Number 1. Vehicle Awning. Includes an extra large side wall that is great for privacy, reducing billowing in the wind, and getting more protection against sun and rain. This waterproof shelter is great for protecting you against the sun and rain, whether you're camping, at the beach, having a picnic, at the pool, at sporting event, tailgating, and more. Extra large and protection for up to 4 people. Measuring 124 feet multiply 85 inches, the off-roading gear awning provides protection and shelter comfortably for up to 4 people. Easy to assemble, with convenient sound and instructions so they don't get lost. This shelter can be assembled in minutes with just 1 person. Durable and built to last. Made of high-quality tent-grade polyester with ultraviolet coating. It is built to last for many seasons, and even in the harshest conditions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.